If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Hello everyone, a very Merry Christmas from Team Design Cafe. I'm Ananya Jois, your interior architect. Now there's so much to do during the holiday season, from finalizing your Christmas dinner menu to buying the perfect presents to all those on your list, that setting up a dining table shouldn't be stressful. Well, I'm here today to help you with some Pinterest-like dining table setup along with some quick and easy DIY decor ideas. Also, wait till the end of the video for a fun contest that I shall be announcing. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Let's quickly dive into this fun Christmas video. We're starting off with placing a red table runner and some gold placemats to capture the Christmas spirit. Then comes a set of 2 dinner plates and the coasters. Now to give it the festive twist, we did this simple DIY with gift wrapping paper and some cellophane tape. You can take your coasters, cookie trays or even plates, trace them on any wrapping paper, cut and stick them with some tape. And we have our festive ready coasters. Next, we're moving on to the napkin, and of course, a plain fold is for the amateurs. We've created this fan fold that I'm sure you would have done a million times as a kid. We also added a gold ribbon to keep it all in place. We got this gorgeous bouquet of roses, carnations, chrysanthemums and some lovely garden fresh foliage in a basket. Now no Christmas setup is complete without a Christmas tree, don't you think? And here we're using our cookie trays lined with wrapping paper from our DIY to place our sweets and savories. Dining table setups are all about adding elements of different heights. So we added this cake stand for our cupcakes and sweets and our candle stands. We also threw in some Christmas tree decorations on the table to make it all the more festive. Here's some wine and the table is set for a dinner date for 2. Oh wait, it's not all done till we decorate the Christmas tree. And at this point, I think I figured we don't have a star for the top of the tree. So since we already had wrapping paper from our DIY, I quickly whipped up a star topper for the tree. Not the best, but does the job, yeah? This for sure was my most favorite part, my first Christmas tree setup from the scratch. And now our setup is complete. Hit like if you loved this and would like to see more. It's the season to be jolly, and what better way than getting your kids and family involved in decking up your home. I hope you deck your halls and your dining table with these ideas that we've given today. If you do, don't forget to send us a snap on Instagram. We would love to repost the best ones to spread the Christmas cheer. Now coming to the most exciting announcement. Like I said in the very beginning, we have a contest running where 3 lucky winners can win some exciting vouchers. All you got to do is like our video, comment the right answer to the question asked next, and also subscribe and share the love. The question being, where is our new experience center coming? Well, here's a quick hint for you to guess that easily. This city is called the Cultural Capital of India and also the Gateway of South. If you've got the right answer, go ahead, comment and subscribe to our channel so that when we announce in our next videos, you do not miss out on an update. That's it from me. Have a happy holiday and a very Merry Christmas to you and your family.